Before starting, enable the subtitles and set the high quality for a better experience. And don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications for our latest video tutorials. AutoCart's new feature allows you to automatically apply a discount code at the cart or checkout once specific conditions are met. First, navigate to the Discount section in your Shopify dashboard. Click Create Discount and select Amount Off Products to begin. Enter a unique discount code, which will be applied automatically. Next, set the discount percentage your customers will receive. Choose to apply this discount to specific products. Click Browse to select the product that qualifies for this offer. With your product chosen, confirm it's added to the discount. Finally, define where this discount can be combined. Enable product, order, and shipping discounts as needed, then save. Now that the discount is created, let's set up the AutoCart rule. Return to the AutoCart app and click Create New Rule. Select Global Automation to apply the rule across your store. Give your rule a descriptive title for easy identification. Then, define the conditions required for the discount to apply. Here, we'll set a minimum cart total for the discount to activate. Scroll down and toggle Give Discount on Selected Products to enable it. Now, link the discount code we created earlier to this rule. Select the appropriate code from the drop-down menu. Once selected, remember to save your new rule. With the rule saved, you can see it listed in your AutoCart rules. Let's test this automation on the storefront. Navigate to a qualifying product and add it to your cart. Increase the quantity to meet your minimum cart total condition. Proceed to checkout to see if the discount is applied. Initially, the discount might not apply if the conditions aren't met. Ensure your cart total meets the threshold set in your AutoCart rule. Once the conditions are fully satisfied, the discount will activate. AutoCart automatically applies the discount code at checkout, providing a seamless experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications for our latest video tutorials.